Starting around 20 January 2024, Bitgert fundamentally is exchanging at $0.00000015 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.33% in kind of most recent 1 hour in a kind of significant manner. Brise in a real sense has a really complete market cap of $58,189,543, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,148,506, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. This generally makes Bitgert, Brise, positioning at 479 in the cryptographic money market, which is genuinely huge. On the off chance that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2024, what will Bitgert be in every practical sense worth in 2024, which basically is genuinely huge? Is Bitgert a wise venture or in every practical sense worth purchasing in 2024 in a huge way? Will Brise cost outperform its unsurpassed certainly high in a quite enormous manner? These truly are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future in an unpretentious manner. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation 2024, as per the Bitgert figure cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the Brise cost in a real sense is supposed to sort of cross a normal value level of $0.00000022, the normal especially least value worth of Bitgert, toward the finish of the truly current year, ought to for the most part be $0.00000022 in every practical sense. In opposition to mainstream thinking. Besides, Brise can really arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $0.00000026, which generally is very critical. Bitgert, Brise, value figure January 2024. For January 2024, the cost of Bitgert certainly is truly anticipated to generally arrive at in every practical sense, normal cost of $0.00000016, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of $0.00000016 and at least $0.00000015 in a huge manner. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation February 2024. The cost for Bitgert in February 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.00000016 and $0.00000017, showing how truly is Bitgert a genuinely wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2024 in an in every practical sense, large way. While the typical exchanging cost ought to really be around $0.00000017, or so they in a real sense thought. Bitgert value expectation walk 2024. The cost of Bitgert in every practical sense is especially anticipated to by and large reach at a truly least worth of $0.00000017 in walk 2024 in an exceptionally significant way. The Brise cost could generally arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0.00000018, with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $0.00000017 all through 2024, or so they truly thought. Bitgert value conjecture April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Bitgert explicitly is supposed to sort of be at around a sort of least of $0.00000017, exhibiting how this in a real sense makes Bitgert, Brise, by and large positioning at 479 in the cryptographic money market. Bitgert cost can generally arrive at a kind of limit of $0.00000019, with the fundamentally normal cost of $0.00000018 in United States dollars, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Bitgert value expectation May 2024. The cost of Bitgert certainly is explicitly anticipated to truly reach at a truly least worth of $0.00000018 in May 2024, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Brise cost could especially arrive at a kind of most extreme worth of $0.00000019, with the in every practical sense normal exchanging worth of $0.00000018 all through 2024. So these truly are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future in an in every practical sense, large way. Brise Value Gauge June 2024. In June 2024, the cost of Bitgert explicitly is gauged to sort of be at around a genuinely least worth of $0.00000018, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Bitgert value worth can in a real sense arrive at a for the most part limit of $0.00000020, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.00000019 in United States dollars, which sort of is genuinely critical. Bitgert, Brise, Value Gauge July 2024. For July 2024, the cost of Bitgert essentially is in a real sense anticipated to especially arrive at an especially normal cost of $0.00000019, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of $0.00000021 and a by and large least of $0.00000018 incredibly. Brise Value Conjecture August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Bitgert sort of is estimated to by and large be at around a truly least worth of $0.00000019, which especially is genuinely critical. The Bitgert value worth can sort of arrive at a for the most part limit of $0.00000022, with the very normal exchanging worth of $0.00000020 in United States dollars in a really significant way. Brise Value Estimate September 2024. The Bitgert gauge for September 2024 expects that the Brise may generally arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.00000023, with an in every practical sense, least cost of around $0.00000020 in an unpretentious manner. Discussing the by and large normal value Brise can sort of stretch around $0.00000021 for September in an unobtrusive manner. Bitgert, Brise, Value Figure October 2024. For October 2024, the cost of Bitgert really is anticipated to arrive at a typical cost of $0.00000021, while the coin could exchange between an essentially limit of $0.00000024 and an exceptionally least of $0.00000021, showing how starting around 20 January 2024 Bitgert in every practical sense is exchanging at $0.00000015 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.33% in by and large most recent 60 minutes, which is very critical. Brise Value Figure November 2024. The Bitgert estimate for November 2024 expects that the Brise may fundamentally arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0.00000025, with a very least cost of around $0.00000021, showing the way that the Brise cost could especially arrive at a most extreme